Welcome to SpiceCandies. These are my favorite chocolate spread candies. These are hard, as you can see. And you can make these out of any chocolate spread you like. So let's get started. This is my favorite chocolate spread. This is a childhood flavor. I really love it. Actually, if you live in Israel, there's no way you don't know about it. Most of the kids in Israel like it. And this is not monetized in any way. Not monetizing my videos, as you guys know quite well. So I'm not showing the brand, but take a guess. It's going to be a good one if you live in Israel. Okay, let's make some candies, hard candies, out of this wonderful, wonderful spread. We're done. I've shut down the flame. Let's add our spread, which is, as you can see, very, very liquid. Spread it in the candy. Not very willing at first. Now you're getting the aroma. Really wonderful. This is also a fast-curing candy. First I'll pour the lollipops. Yes, I know I'm not using the spout, by the way. Right, before our candy hardens, let's pour it all rapidly. Square it off. Scoop the rest. You get a nice spiral there. And yes, it's hardening already. There we go. I'll cut the candy before it hardens into a cement block hardness level. Repeat that. Very carefully. If you have to repeat the lines, do it very carefully. It does look ugly if you miss. I'm using the cooler side of the stick. That side is ready, a bit hot. And I'm cutting. There we go. It's already hardening. We can let it cool off, and I'll see you in a few minutes, but just to show you something, if I'm measuring the temperature, it's 121 degrees Celsius. This is way, way, way above the normal hardening temperatures of regular candies, which are 90 to 100 degrees Celsius tops, which explains why this hardens so fast. So, see you in a few minutes while this cools off. This has taken quite some time because this is really, really hot, but now it's cool and I can break it. Apparently it should be an easy work, right? But actually no, these are really hard candies, as you can see. Breaking them is not that easy because it's fairly thick, as you can see. So you can do that with any spread you like, Nutella or whatever brand you like. Oh, this one has a really good one. So there are our candies, and let's get those lollipops free. That's very, very easy, as you can see. Very cute. I like the marbling effect on the other side. You can see this one actually tossed the lollipop stick sideways. Not a big problem. It's going to stay there, obviously. And if you have some bulging edges, sharp edges, just break them off. So our lollipops are ready, our candies are ready. Let's get wrapping. This is really, really cute, and I love the molds as well. These are aluminum molds. I did try fine stainless. That's what I got. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. This is really nice. I highly recommend these candies. Do try and make them. It does not matter what spread you're using. Use your favorite spread, the one you really, really like. It's going to work just wonderfully. Give it a shot. If you do succeed, let me know. I'd be interested to hear about it. So thanks for watching, and have a sweet day, guys.